I'm here to relearn Yiddish, which was my first language, because I grew up in the Satmar Hasidic community, and unfortunately, when I left, I lost my proficiency. It was just cool to see that I couldn't read a thing in the beginning. I even struggled, like, just making out the letters, and by the end of the program, I can, with the aid of a dictionary, I can piece through pretty long texts. I came to it very much from a background of Yiddish means Hasidism, and I got to learn just how much more there is outside of Hasidism when it comes to Yiddish. There's a huge world of secular Yiddish, which I had not known about. Shalom Aleichem, never even learned his name, but he's a very popular guy around here. And it's really cool to see how much more there is, both academically now and historically. It was fantastic. My only previous experience was middle school and high school French. So this was worlds above that. We learned so much so quickly, and there was a lot of culture and history tossed in that was just fantastic. I feel like it wasn't even like the purpose, but I learned so much about Eastern European history and just Judaism. It was really cool. I definitely hope to probably come back next year, and if not, see if I can connect with some of YIVO's other opportunities. I want to supplement my Yiddish knowledge and test it out against my family. Will no doubt laugh at my many different pronunciations. And hopefully see if I can. My goal is to be able to sustain like a conversation with a family member speaking purely in Yiddish. I want to see if I can do that.